do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this wheel, you do have a large rock chip right there. I do not see any curb rash though. You can just see how clean that is. Carbon ceramics look amazing. Bright red calipers. Looks good. Wheel weights are clean. You do have typical rock impacts. There's no PPF on this car, so you're going to see impacts and little rock chips. You're going to see kind of swirls from everyday washing. Got the shields there. That looks good. Typical rock impacts. Of course, let's get super close and see what I'm talking about. Just from a couple foot away, you're not going to see that. A-pillar looks good. Making our way down the door. I do see some scuffs from getting in and out right here. A couple tiny little scuffs. You have PPF on that little section. It does have a little snag. It's kind of peeling on the edges. Now this area is prone to getting hit with rocks. So if we get super close, you're gonna see little impacts here and there. Upper section, that looks good. You have film on that edge. You can see it's kind of peeling. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. If you get close to the spokes, you're gonna see some little rock impacts. Got the window tint on there. Looking at the headlights, a little hazy in some spots. And then the front end is kind of peppered with bug splatter and little impacts. So you can see they etched into the clear. So all of that is wiped off, but you're gonna see where it kind of etched into the clear, given it's acidic. And then you're gonna have rock impacts, little chips. A lot of them have been touched up. And of course, we're in perfect lighting. Come back here, you're not gonna see that. Getting up close, there are chips throughout the front, and it looks like most of them have been touched up. Got some larger ones right there on the edge. I'm gonna have rash on that splitter. Overall looks good. Same thing around the hood. You're gonna have little rock impacts, little bug splatter every once in a while. Looking at that wheel, you do have rash right there on that lower spot. A little bit right there. Upper looks good. The lower side looks nice. Typical splatter here, a couple spots. A-pillar looks good. You have some really light scuffs from just getting in and out, little fingernails kind of scratching it. You're going to see the rock impacts here. It's a little heavier on this side. Quarter panel looks nice. That wheel looks good. All of that looks good. Taillights are clean, exhaust tips look amazing. Alright, checking out the trunk, you do have a custom audio setup here. Nice and flush, looks really good. Alright, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Upper panel looks good. Got some custom tweeters here, so it looks like they cut the metal and kind of pokes out. Here on the driver panel, there is a gash right there. That lower section looks nice. That trim is clean. You do have a marking right there. A couple wrinkles. A little bit of wear on the piping. The rest of that seat is in great condition. Here on the steering wheel, a couple fingernail scratches. Upper side looks good. These buttons are clean. Those buttons look good. Nothing sticky here. That leather looks good. Looks really nice. Here on the passenger panel, it's in great condition. You can see it has custom tweeters there. They did cut a hole in the metal. They did a good job though. A little chip in the leather there. Lower side looks good. That trim is clean. Carpets look amazing. Typical wrinkles right here, very subtle. Otherwise, the seat looks amazing. This side of the console looks good. Handle's nice and clean. Glove box looks good. Upper side of the dash looks good. And then check out this massive panoramic roof. Absolutely gorgeous. And checking out back here. That seat looks good. Console looks nice. Seat back looks good. All right, we're going to scan through the engine bay here. Let's see the assembly number right there. Upper section looks good. All this plastic is nice and clean. There's your chassis number. And then your color. And looking at that underhood liner, it's in great condition. Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. The car has 8,493 miles on it. And if you don't already know, it has a custom sound system. So the whole trunk is all custom. And I'm hearing some feedback from that audio. So if you hear kind of a high-pitched squeal there, it went away. It's the audio system back there, some weird feedback. But it has gone away for now. Now we can hear the car. Like I said, 8,493 miles on the car. Shifts nice and smooth. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. Suspension feels good, and this is the best view right here. Massive panoramic roof. Looks amazing. I am in sport mode here. You can hear that feedback again. Came back on. Not quite sure what it is, but it has something to do with the radio. And there it went away. Not going to be able to hear this, but it has an amazing system though. No other complaints. Drives pretty much like a brand new car.